Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy retirement savings with Fidelity Investments, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy your retirement savings with Fidelity Investments, start by gathering your financial documents. Ensure you have your retirement account information ready, including account numbers and balances. Visit the Fidelity Investments website or open the Fidelity mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the Retirement Savings section. Review your current investment options and account balances to assess your total savings. Determine your retirement goals and how much income you'll need during retirement. Consider your risk tolerance and investment timeline when choosing investment options. Explore the various investment products available through Fidelity, such as mutual funds, stocks, and bonds. Use Fidelity's retirement planning tools to help decide on asset allocation. Evaluate Fidelity's managed account options if you prefer a hands-off approach. Select your desired investment products based on your assessment and goals. Confirm that you understand any fees or expenses associated with your chosen investments. Complete the transaction by following the prompts to allocate your funds. Review the confirmation screen to ensure all details are correct. Check your account periodically to monitor the performance of your investments. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on market conditions and your retirement timeline. Familiarize yourself with Fidelity's resources for ongoing education and support. Always consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice when necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.